celebrate kindness for Unity Day?
Unity Day is a day where you stop bullying.
Today we're wearing orange to remind all of our students to be kind to others and practice inclusion on our campus.
Unity Day is important because it shows that kids at Hamilton are kind.
We're trying to stop bullying.
Bullying is bad because other people can get hurt by their feelings, and we don't want that to happen. We only want kindness in the world.
Because kindness is like the key to making friends and stuff. And when you're kind to someone, there's a high chance that they'll be kind to you back.
Unity Day. Let's all work together to be kind and stop bullying.
We love Unity!